Digibyte DGB is often seen as a surprising strong competitor in the crypto market today. Digibyte isn't as well known or used as Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it has strengths and allies who are actively trying to improve and build on the platform. Today, we'll look at the project, guess how much DGB will cost, and talk about why it might be the next big thing. USD, or the most recent way to measure the price of a Digibyte, shows that its value will go up by 3.86 and hit 1 cent on April 18, 2023. Or specialized signs show that the bullish 73 market feeling on Digibyte. The trepidation and trustworthiness record shows that Digibyte has a score of 68, but in the last 30 days, it has had 16 30th green days and a 2.04% cost on predictability. The current price of Digibyte is 1 cent, and according to the most recent data, it is ranked 181st in the cryptocurrency market. Digibyte has a supply of 156,304,617.75, and its market capitalization is 16,118,874,900,169 DGB. In the last 24 hours, the crypto hasn't changed at all. Its price in the last week. Digibyte has been getting better recently, so now might be a good time to invest. In the past month, the price of DGB has gone up by $14.99, which means that its value has gone up by an average of $0. Because of this surprising change, the coin can now be a strong resource if it continues to go up. For a more detailed look at how much a Digibyte will cost in 2023, the cheapest Digibyte is expected to cost 1 cent. The DGB cost can only go up to 1 cent. On average, it costs about 1 cent to change money. Due to Digibyte's changing value at the start of 2023, crypto experts predict that the average DGB rate will be $0 in February 2023. Its base costs and top costs are likely to both be $0 in February 2023. By 2023, the return on capital will probably be 0%. Digibyte value figure digital currency. The experts are ready to say what they think the DGB cost and what will be in 2023. This month, the exchange rate could be anywhere from $0 to 1 cent overall. A Digibyte is probably worth around $0, and it could drop to $0 as a starting point. It could be worth no more than 1 cent. By May 2023, it's possible that the return on the initial investment will be 10%. Digibyte value thinks that 1 DGB will be worth about 1 cent by the middle of 2023. The size of the Digibyte could also change in May 2023. People think that in May 2023, the price won't go below 1 cent. For June 2023, DGB value estimates that the return on capital spent will be 20%. Experts have calculated how much Digibytes will cost in 2023, so they can say that the average price of trade in June 2023 will be 1 cent. By July 2023, the lowest and highest TGB rates that could happen could both be 1 cent. Digibyte value gauge cryptographers think that the price of a DGB will be around 1 cent by the end of summer 2023. The price of a DGBit could drop to at least 1 cent in July 2023. According to the DGB value measure for August 2023, the average price of Pinnacle could be 1 cent in July 2023. This is because the Digibyte cost digital cash is no longer working. Experts think that the DGB rate could go as high as 1 cent in August 2023. In August 2023, the price of a Digibyte could drop to 1 cent. By September 2023, the average is projected to be almost 1 cent, with a 30% return on money spent. By the middle of 2023, the average price of a Digibyte will be 1 cent. Cryptographers think that in September 2023, the price of a DGB could be anywhere from 1 cent to 1 cent. This is based on an estimate of the DGB value in October 2023. Experts in the market think that in October 2023, the Digibyte won't be worth less than 1 cent. This month, the most you can expect from Pinnacle is 1 cent. By November 2023, the average exchange rate is expected to be equal to a 1 cent return on an initial investment of cash. Digibyte Value Theory Digital Money. The range of DGB prices from now until 2023 has been carefully broken down by experts. People think that the most a Digibyte will be worth in November 2023 will be around 1 cent, with a range of 0 to 1. Chance of going down to at least 1 cent in November 2023. The cost will be 1 cent on average. By DGB value gauge, the return on money spent in December 2023 will be 50%. Based on how Digibyte's value changed at the start of 2023, crypto experts think that the average DGB rate will be 1 cent in December 2023. Both its lowest price and its highest price are likely to be 1 cent based on how much Digibyte has cost in the past. Investors can expect a 50% return on their money in 2024. A DGB could cost as much as about 2 cents at most. The exchange rate may cost a total of 1 cent in the year 2024. On average, it costs 2 cents to change money. How much will a bit be worth in the year 2026? Digital money experts have looked at how the price of a bit has changed over time and how it has changed over time. In 2026, the lowest price for DGB is predicted to be 3 cents and the highest price to be 4 cents. In general, it will cost about 4 cents to trade DGB. How much will a bit be worth in the year 2027? Based on a study of Digibyte prices by crypto experts, the most and least egg prices in 2027 are expected to be 6 cents and 5 cents, respectively. It will be sold for 5 cents on average. What the value of a bit will be in 2028, cryptographers always look at how DGB is different from what they expect. Most people think that a DGB costs around 8 cents. It could go down to at least 8 cents, but it could go up to 9 cents all the way through 2028. Experts in cryptocurrency try to guess how much a Digibyte will cost. People think that in 2029, a DGB will be worth between 11 and 13 cents. Over the course of a year, it generally costs about 11 cents. Prediction for the value of a byte in 2030. Experts in digital currency are ready to say how much they think 1 DGBit will cost in 2030. The idea that the highest DGB price is 19 cents is not always true. Any way you look at it, the price could drop to about 16 cents. The average cost to trade this way is 17 cents. Digibyte Value Expectation 2031. Crypto experts have studied the Digibyte price for a long time and are now ready to give their best guess of what it will be worth in 2031. It will be sold for between 24 cents and 29 cents, with 29 cents being the most it could be worth. Overall, the DGB price in 2031 is likely to be around 25 cents. How much will a bit be worth in the year 2032? Digital currency experts are ready to say what they think the price of DGbytes